that.
Yeah.
I will not be here pretend that she's doing that when I know that she's not doing that. That's just the fact. Anyway, continue, my brother.
Mazikai, in terms of men on ground, DPM said if there is any commander on ground that says or feel that was supposed to get to them did not get to them, that they should go to the general of all generals.
Thank you.
She made it clear. And she said that they have been sending messages. That reminds me of what Commander Gento said, and this guy tried to put him that the no call of my brother. If
my
you
brother,
know what is
my brother, wait. There was no energy in Ghana. I forget those ones. Since Okuche that took one, have you seen any general that counter that statement?
Nobody. Rather him himself receives attack from other commanders as well.
Let us leave it there and continue. Forget about this often. Let's not forget about that one. Thank you, my brother.
Beautiful. When them Jiki continue what you're doing, then I will urge us Biafrans, genuine Biafrans. We cannot stop. Mazin and the Kano that we know, listen to. Mazi Simon Epa that we know, listen to. We know the word, the message that they can put out. We know the message that we will listen to. When they talk, we know that they talk. Now, having said that, there is no way, no need going back. We can't do that.
Yeah, that's all.
Moving ahead is the key.
Yeah.
Consistency moving is the key. Now we have to preach this good news from door to door, neighbor to neighbor, person to person. We cannot relent on that.
Yeah.
The enemies, the tools that the Nigerian states are using are on the other side, telling lies. But thank God that any time they open their mouth to say that lies, they always hit rock, and it comes to their own disadvantage. Just like what I told Ada Onoifone, you know, and she begins to curse herself. And I told her, I'm a grandfather before you.
Okay.
In Igbo culture,
I don't want to voice. I don't want to voice. I think that this is a grandfather before. I think I'm not talking a voice here.
Well, yes. Yeah, maybe not be, but God made us strong, and we started very early. But even as at that, I don't know it's not done. Go and check it. So whatever she said, I've nullified it. And for the fact that Nonsense at our own age, I must have to correct her, because now onye ọbụla bụ eje afịa, nwaanyị ọbụla bụ eje afịa ka o jele. Ọwụ na ifele emerie, ifele ama mmemme ego dị n'aka ya. That is it. So thank you very much, Mazi. Can I move forward, because now this guy put on call. I'm busy, more than busy, but within the weekends like this, and I'm aware in the morning now, I'm joining up and connected. Then we keep on moving. Remind every Biafran, you know, what we say here on the social media, or what we preach, is part of it, part of the job.
Thank you.
But again, there's more one that we need to do, which is finance. We should continue contributing, donating your 1 naira, your 1 cent, your 1,000, your 550 euro, $50, whatever, 1,000, 1 million. Please donate it to New Dimension Mandate account. Always. New Dimension Mandate account, USB. New Dimension Mandate account, USB. That is where they are getting, men on ground are getting their message very well. And it helps in that decentralization that have been put in place. That will help Biafra in a very longer way. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. So we will pick this call and we end it now. This is the last caller. Hello.
Hello, Kai.
My brother.